All right, let's do an origami dolphin out of a hacky bill or a regular dollar bill. Now this one is my most challenging one I do. I'm not an origami master. I just like to have fun with it. So this is the most challenging one that I'll do. So have patience with it. We're gonna first go lengthwise like this, the whole fold. Then we're gonna take this and fold it in half again. So right along there. Cool. Let's do the other side like this. This one takes a few folds just to set up before we can start folding, so that's part of the setup. I'm going to take this part, we're going to fold it diagonally like this. Line it to right there. And we're going to fold it back. So it goes like that. That's about right there. Okay. We're going to open it up, fold it back in half. I'm going to take this one and fold it diagonally along that point. So it lines up right with that spot right where that fold came up. Okay. I'm going to take it, open it up. I'm going to fold it right there. And the midpoints will line up right there. It just means you're lined up. Crease that one down. Open it up and fold the other way. So this lines up right there, and the midpoint lines up right there. And get that folded. Okay, so far so good. Perfect. We're going to take this part right here. We're going to do one fold like that. And another fold along there. Right there. And the other side, same thing. One right there. Like that. And another one right like that. Okay. I'm going to take this fold together, and this comes down along that fold. Okay. We're going to take this part, open it up, and fold it back upon itself. So this, you have to crease that down a little bit. This comes down, lines up like that on that side. Okay. And then the same thing on the other side. This comes down. So I should do it this way. It comes together like that. Like that. Okay. We fold that back on itself in half. Okay. So we look at right now. So far so good? Perfect. Now we're going to take this part and we're going to fold it back so that along that midpoint right in there, it's going to come and crease along there. And it folds down and squares out like that. Right there. You're going to line that up so it comes to the center right there and goes down like that. Okay. And we're going to take this part and then fold it down. All right. So this part lines up like that. Just manipulate that a little bit so it lines up like that. Okay. Take this part, fold it back. So that while this is going to be bending like this as I'm putting this back, pushing this back, and this comes down. Okay. So it looks like this when it comes like that. Fold that forward, goes down like that. This pushes like that. Okay. One side, the other side. Okay. Gonna take this part, fold a little bit right there. Same side. I mean, other side, same amount. Ish. Get in there. There we go. And I take this part, I'm gonna pinch right there, push it in, and this has to go in like that. All right, and you push a little bit forward, just like that. Okay, so far so good. Perfect. Now take this part again, and we're gonna push it down so that goes like that. On this side goes Starting to see some right there. Cool. Now, take this part right here. Take the head, grasp right here as you pull this down like that. And push that in. Take this part, open it up. I'm gonna push that like that. Okay. Open it up. Get the tail open. Like that. Okay. So far so good. Perfect. We're gonna take this part and push it up like that. Crimp it down. So it opens up and creates a little part right there. Gonna take one fin, push it back like that. Do other pin just like that. Those open up like that. And then we're gonna take this final part right here. Now if you want to have it straight up, that's a male. But if you curve it like this, take that, crimp it down a little bit and just put a little crease in it like that. Now it becomes a female dolphin. Whee! There it is, Origami Dolphin. Fold your brain to shape at craniogami.org.